In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer light switch in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new light switch, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. For video purposes, we're going to remove the freezer door and both freezer drawers to give better access to the switch. You may be able to do this repair without removing these. However, if needed, you can check out our other video that will show you how. The switch has a locking tab located at the bottom that needs to be depressed. If you are concerned about scratching the freezer liner, you can apply a small piece of tape below the switch. To remove the switch, insert a putty knife between the switch and the compartment liner to depress the locking tab and rotate the switch up. Then, pull the switch down out of the opening, being careful as it's still connected by wires. Now, disconnect the electrical connector. When shopping for a new freezer light switch, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the switch, first reconnect the electrical connector by aligning and pushing until it seats back in place. Then, tuck the wires into the opening. Position the switch with the electrical connector facing up, push up, and press the switch against the liner until it snaps in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.